Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Google Pixel 7a. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then click on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I always using the Easy Fax. Okay, now decide that you want to get notification and allow permissions to camera and to the files. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick the photo. And now you can add this shape to your document. And if you're ready, click arrow. And this is a place where you can choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for a receiver. You can also add a signature, text, and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept icon, enter the number here, choose the country from the list. And if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits, or just buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.